AMwand is a zero-point field resonance tool working on the subtle organizing energy field of a person, uniquely created by our proprietary technology called AFT Amwand fusion technology. Once we rotate over the energy centers or chakras, the vertex of life force energy resonance is created, and which our innate intelligence can recognize and source the life force energy. This video is a simple general bonding procedure for activating, cleansing, and balancing of chakras and energizing the whole body using AMwand. Have the person sit comfortably with the eyes closed and place his bare foot on the ground. Let him focus on his chest and do a deep breathing exercise. Breathe in through his nose and breathe out from his mouth. Now you start with tapping on the crown chakra on the top of the head. What you're doing is called provocation. By doing this, you are activating every single energy centers in the body. After the tapping, you start rotating the AMwand in a clockwise motion. Wand this area slowly and comfortably with a rhythmic motion for a minimum of 9 rounds or as many rounds you want. Crown chakra supports brain, nervous system, pineal gland, skin, muscular system, and skeletal system. Powers of crown chakra: knowing who you are, spirituality, enlightenment, acceptance of your higher self's will, awareness, entry point of life force, self-knowledge, life purpose, present moment living, universal being, consciousness, inspiration, transcending, blessing, ascensions, and divine guidance. From there you move to the second point, which is in between your eyebrows. This is called the third eye chakra. You can rotate the AMwand clockwise in a rhythmic motion over this area by preferably keeping the same number of rotation you did for the crown chakra. By wanding this area, you are creating a vertex of energy flow on third eye chakra. Third eye chakra supports eyes, ears, nose, pituitary gland, hormone secretions, and metabolism. Powers of third eye chakra: ability to learn from experience, open-mindedness, intuitions, truth, introspection, intelligence, and human logic. Then you move to the third point, which is your throat. As you rotate the AMwand on this area, you are enhancing and improving the throat chakra. Throat chakra supports throat, thyroid gland, neck, vertebra, hypothalamus, and esophagus. Powers of throat chakra: expressions, choices, judgments, faith, truth in life, honesty, and divine will. Then you move to the fourth point. It is called heart chakra. When you do the wanding in this area, you are expanding and improving the heart chakra. Heart chakra supports heart, thymus gland, circulatory system, respiratory system, lungs, breast, diaphragm, upper spine, and immune system. Powers of heart chakra: love, forgiveness, compassion, healing, unconditional love, immunity, and relationships. Then you move to the fifth point, which is the solar plexus chakra. By wanding this area, you are helping to improve or expand the energy levels of solar plexus chakra. Solar plexus chakra supports stomach, liver, gallbladder, small intestine, pancreas, kidney, adrenal gland, spleen, and mid-spine. Powers of solar plexus chakra: personality, self-esteem, honor, gut instinct, truth, individuality, self-confidence, decision-making ability, and self-responsibility. Then you move to the sixth point. This is called the sacral chakra and is located in your lower abdomen, 1 or 2 inches below your belly button. Sacral chakra supports sexual organs, pelvis, large intestine, uterus, ovary, and bladder. Powers of sacral chakra or gonad chakra: creativity and sexuality, power, control, money, partnerships, and relationships. Then you move on to the last chakra, which is right at the root, which is located at the base of our spine or groin area. This is called root chakra. This regulates the energy associated with instinct, survival, and safety. Root chakra supports sexual glands, feet and legs, bones, immune system, spine base, and rectum. Powers of root chakra: family and social belongings, safety and order, basic survival, ability to ground and manifest ideas into the physical world, social bonds, loyalty, and courage. Once you complete the above 7 energy centers or chakras, you move to the back of the person. Point the AMwand at the top of the spine or back of the neck and wand the area. This is the last step of general wanding. When you have done with this point, you move back to the first position and wand the complete body. This whole process is what is called general wanding. When you finish wanding on the chakras of the person, you can continue or move on to those particular areas of concern or pain or discomfort where he needs special attention or healing. As you are using the AMwand, which is resonating at 0-point field or resonance, it is able to attract the life force energy. In other words, the 0-point resonance from the AMwand acts as an antenna to attract the universal life force energy from the environment, and the innate intelligence of our body is able to recognize the life force energy from the environment and absorb into the body and do the corrections and cleansing, and helps to energize and enhance our energy quantum. Thank you.